Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about how we can create group goals and view them within Teamflect. First, we need to click on Goals. Here on top, you can see the section called Microsoft Teams Groups, and here you can see all the goals related to those groups. So let's create a goal and assign it to a group. Let's pick an owner. That can be Adele. Let's put a title for this goal. Maybe a description. It's going to be measured in percentages. We don't have a parent goal. And as a custom date, we're selecting Q1. And no, this isn't private. And here you can see the section called Related Groups. And I'm going to relate it to the Contoso marketing group. And I'll click Create. There you go. The goal has been created. You can see its title here, its progress bar, its start and end date, and related group. And through the drop-down menu, I can add a separate group. And I'm closing my goals like so. Let me go into the marketing group. And right there, that's the goal we just created. Here it is. Now, let's see how we can do this within Microsoft Teams without using Teamflect. We're going to Teams and we're looking at our teams. And I'm in two teams, right? All employees and marketing. Let's see a goal within the marketing group, so let's just go into General. I'm clicking the plus icon. And I'm adding the Teamflect icon. And now that it's loaded, let's let people know by posting to the channel and clicking save. And Teamflect is done setting up, and here's my goal. And here is the goal we just created again. I can adjust the groups and add other stuff and do the same changes. And that's how you set group goals with Teamflect. Enjoy!